Good morning, everyone. It's Lisa. I ordered this scrapbooking supply kit from Amazon, and I wanted to share it with you. This way we can look through it together to see exactly what is in the box. So this is the brand name. And it had a nice little sticker, and I did open it, but then I stopped myself from going further so that we can all look at it together. So we have these, sorry about that reflection, and we have these and these pretty tickets. Let's open the tickets first, because there's not that many. I want to say this was $10-ish for the set. We got all their stickers, I think. I'm almost positive they're like washi stickers, washi tape. Very pretty, very nice. I like them. And then we have, let's see. Honestly, I forget. I think it was 300 pieces of supplies. I'm not really 100% sure. I'd have to look it up and put it in the description of the video. It's like a little unboxing. Oh no! I hate these envelopes. They're stuck. You know what you should do? Really, you should fold it back, well, like on itself, so that does not happen. And then you ruin stuff inside. Or you just open it the other way that I should have. So these are paper frames. I'm assuming they're stickers. I could be wrong, but I think they are. They kind of look like they are, but I'm not going to spend 20 years trying to fix it now. So we got these. We got 4 of these brownish colored. Now I got one big white one. We have letters. Yeah, these are definite stickers. And then we have words. Very nice. And we have more stickers. There's quite a number of stickers here. I'm surprised. Because, you know, I never really look at, I look at the pictures on the, online. I don't ever look at the size of things or anything of that nature, because that's, I don't know why I do that. And I get messed up every time, because I'm like, oh my god, I thought that would be so much bigger, and it comes real tiny, or vice versa, where it's huge, like I did that one time. Sorry for the crinklies. I did that one time with, hold on. And just take it and fold it back so we don't get stuck on anything. Oh my, hold on. Jeez Louise. Oh, so we got these little papers. Very cute. Oh, bugs. Little bug tickets. I guess they're tickets. Or whatever. I don't know. They might be stickers too. And we got these stickers. And then we got more papers. Hang on, more crinkles. I should have opened this stuff up. I didn't even realize it would be so noisy. And these are little scrapbook papers. Little collage papers, I'm assuming. And then we have bigger size papers. Oh, one more crinkle. Yeah, this is very thin paper, but pretty cool print. The printing looks good, and they're upside down. Oh, nope. Pretty cool, nice. So it's a nice amount of stuff. At least I think it is, anyhow. Just to further your collection. Especially if you're like starting out with this. Like I am, sort of. I mean, I've been doing this for like a year, but I've been spending all my money, birthday gifts and stuff, on this kind of papers and trying to get some collections here. I think these are stickers again, like washi stickers. Like that type of sticker. Cool. I love butterflies. Oh, here, these would look good in our journal from the other day. Take them out while we're here. Let's see. Oh, and I do want to make a, like a wildlife journal or butterfly journal, because I love butterflies. And I love dragonflies. And I love hummingbirds and cardinals and pretty roses. So anyhow, I was saying about my mistake. I ordered a bag of Miracle Grow potting soil. This was like 2 years ago. And I thought it was just, you know, like a regular size bag of potting soil. Never really, it said how many cubic feet on it, but I didn't understand, like, what that meant, technically. So I ordered it. It was dirt cheap. Haha. So it came, and it was, it was outside my door. And it was pretty much as tall as my shoulders. And I thought, oh my God. Like, I literally needed help bringing it into my house because it was so big and heavy. And all I could think of was, did they send this to me by mistake? The size? So I double checked everything. Everything worked out. And I was like, what the hell am I supposed to do with all this dirt? Like, I live in an apartment. It's not like I can plant stuff. Like, I just wanted it to, like, have some house plants or stuff like that. I wanted to, like, start growing lettuce and spinach for my guinea pig. Like, little things that a little bag would have been perfect for. I still have, like, quarter of the bag left 2-3 years later because I just don't know what to do with it anymore. So I didn't really do well growing anything in it either, to be honest. I grew pepper plants last year. Which I probably am going to have to, I really got to start, I got to plant them this week so they can start growing a little bit before before I can put them outside. So let's see these papers. My point is, I always do that kind of crazy crap where I get stuff and I'm just like, what in the world? Or they'll put like the front and back of something as the image, but then it looks like you're supposed to be getting two things. And when it comes, you're like, what is going on here? Why does this look like this? It's not what I ordered. But it's funny. I do it all the time. Got dragon or dinosaurs. I just passed the little dinosaur paper. I don't know what cactus. Oh my god, my daughter would love that. Little frogs. She loves frogs. I mean, she's 18 and absolutely obsessed with frogs and cats. Ooh, that's pretty. That may have to go on our journal. Alright, I really did want to look. This is just like a mix of everything. Let's look at these stickers. Well, here, let's look at these papers first. I'm assuming these are stickers. Excuse me, but I could be wrong. Sorry for the crinkles. Oh my goodness. Come on now. There is... Let's see. These feel like stickers-ish. They have that kind of back to them. What's that saying? Oh, Chestnut Street, Philadelphia. Oh, why is that not zooming in right? Here. Nope, wrong way. And got all these little things. Well, here, we'll look at the rest real quick. We'll flip through them. Ooh, big 69-cent. I have a little one somewhere. I think it's in my Tim Holtz stuff. Peachy chewing. This is cool stuff. I love looking through this stuff. Even though it's, it's not real. I mean, it's not real vintage. It just looks like it, but it's so cool. Because it was taken from, I'm assuming it was taken from original stuff. Or then again, who knows? Could have been just made up. That's cool. Look at the horse. The horsey. Oh, jeez. Alright, so let's get ready here to 1909, that says. I actually have real stuff from Pam at the Paper Outpost. Her bundles are awesome. I mean, they have legitimate antique and vintage paperwork. It's really nice. Hold on. I've gotten 2 of her bundles over the past, I guess, year-ish. And every time, they're beautiful. They're awesome. They have so much stuff. And it's all pretty much old. These are definitely stickers. Butterfly stickers. Oh my god, I love this frog. My child is going to die. She loves it. She's going to love it. I know it. Let's keep that out for her. Oh, a rose. Hold it. That's what I was looking for. Something of that nature. More butterflies. Or moth. I don't know what that is. Looks like a moth. Baby butterflies. And pretty flowers and mushrooms. It's all the same type of stuff. That kind of thing, you know. Where'd I put that? Oh, there it is. Let's see. What else? Is there anything exciting left? Well, it's all exciting. Ah, look at the boot. There's a boot with roses in it. So it comes with honestly, this is a lot of stuff for the price I paid. It was I want to say it was between, I want to say it was like $9.99. But like I said, I'll put the stuff in. I'm not going to link it because technically I can't. But I'll put it in there as the price as it is now when I purchased. And that's pretty too. And the name. This is so neat. Crystals, my favorite. Wow. Oh God. Another frog. Porcupine. Oh, pretty little lady. Very good. Alright, so let's get this stuff here and put it to the side because I really want to try to put stuff on the cover of my journal. Let's see what we can do here. I'm getting all these bags for now off my table. It's a sloppy mess. Alright. And I wanted to leave that out. This we can check out later. See, sorry if you need any of that. This words I wanted to leave out. Actually, let me leave them out. Then here's these little stickers. And then we'll bring over our journal that I tried making a video yesterday and it just was not working out, the video itself. It's just, I don't know. Sorry if this is like dull. I'm trying to get the light here proper, but I am filming on my phone, trying to anyhow, with a light that's not the greatest. Alright, so I used Intense and I used this. Yeah, see, that looks like not good. I'm sorry. I did have this all straightened out. Bye. Okay, so I used this paint in some of these areas. And then we used the Intense pencils. Let me see, it was this one, the red oxide, to make like little red areas, reddish areas. And let me have a sip of coffee here. I do have all these type of things. And I did want to put this somewhere because I have no pockets. And I saw somebody, I don't remember who it was, but they had like I guess like a pocket type thing going across the side, and then they tucked in a little book, which I would love to do. Oh, did I put that card in there? No, I didn't. Okay. So I was wondering, that's too big. How about we do this lady here? The lady. And where's that flower? See, the problem is with these stickers is the white line around them. That's why I like washi stickers better, because they're definitely less, is exactly the word I was looking for. They're less noticeable. See, this side looks bland and plain. I hate this. I hate not knowing. Like, I thought I knew what I was doing, and once again I messed it up because I don't know what I'm doing now. See, this reminds me of this lady here. And I wanted to put this on the front of this, but I didn't have a frame or anything to put it in. So, now, see, this is way too big. Maybe let's do this. Too big. Too big. How about this one? See, I should have never cut this out. That was silly. I actually like that. I think I do. I like it. I like it a lot. I'll have to look through my things. Where did the words go? Did I put them away? I did. And I do have, God knows where I put it. It's around here somewhere, is the book with the words in it. All right. And see, they're white. So, I would definitely have to put some distress ink on it, one of those doohickeys. Here's this thing from yesterday I wanted to use, but yeah, I couldn't. Let's see. I was watching Rachel. For the life of me, I can't remember her channel. Why? She's the lady who's in Italy. And, she had made, it's kind of like an antique journal thing. I don't know, but I really want to try to do one of them with the papers that I got from Pam at the Paper Outpost, because they are papers that are old, quite old, and I have some things that are probably, you'd call it considered vintage. I do have some books that are from the 1800s that I found long ago. Well, not too long ago, but I have the Bobbsey Twins books that I got at a, what the heck's it called? I can't think today. It was, here, we'll just glue this while we're talking. I got it at a fair, I guess, that our area has, the fall festival, every year. And like a couple, well, it was quite a few years ago now, that they had books, I guess, from the library or whatever that were old, and they were just giving them away. You know what, let's try to do this a little dark here on the edge. So they were giving these books away, so you could take whatever you wanted. They were like, take them, please. So I found a couple Bobbsey Twins books, and I had Bobbsey Twins books as a kid. And they were like mystery books, and I absolutely love them. Use them walnut stain to distress the edges here a little bit. I absolutely, or ink the edges, I should say. Absolutely love them. So I grabbed these books, there was like 2 or 3 of them, and put them away, because they were from like 1920. The one of them was anyhow, and I was like so excited. Like, I don't know what print the book is. I haven't looked at it in a while. But there was other ones that were from the 50s. So I grabbed them too. And pretty much put them away until I decided to start this and realized that people were using book pages for stuff. So guess what? I did not cut up that book. The 1920s book, I couldn't. But I did take... No, I'm lying. Did I take one of the Bobbsey Twin books? No, it wasn't. There was Nancy Drew books too, and I used one of them. I like took the thing out. Oh, come on. So I had that. That was, I think, from the 50s. It was neat. It was very interesting to see that. Now I don't think these are stickers. These are just paper. Well, I mean, they kind of look like stickers. Are they? Possibly. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Let's see if these work. If not, then I'm just gluing it on. Sometimes these will help. Of course, it doesn't help that mine are crooked. Ah, it is. It is. It's a sticker. It is. All right, this could go very wrong. And they are quite sticky, I must say, which is a good thing. Right, right. All right, now see. Now, my problem is that this no. Oh yeah, that don't look right. Okay, let's just plop it down. No big deal. I'll put something maybe across that. That looks weird. Okay. Nope. Oh my, oh my. I don't like that. See, I wonder if we could... Nope, missed the trash can. Where's the thing? Here. If we go around this a little bit... Maybe I should have used the pink. My, whatever it's called. That I love so much. It's slow. Just knock the whole thing over. Victorian velvet is my favorite. Let's see. Regardless, this is going to come off because it is on the stickers kind of slippery. That looks better. It does look better, I think, anyhow. I just don't like it like plop right there. Maybe. Oops, I'm going to glue that down. Glue this little piece here. Oh my, that was my stomach. Sorry. I actually kind of like that there. Let's see if we can get the back off here. Yep, there we go. I was going to say, it definitely is a sticker. And put that there. And then let's see, what else can we use? See, I don't like that. I don't know what else to do with this. All right. Wrong way. Let's see. Oh, I thought this was the same. All right. I don't know. See, and it's not sideways. It has to be long ways here. I'd like to have like some sort of Name tag. I'm not sure where I have another one like this. I was going to use like a doily. I have one of these coffee stained, tea stained, whatever stain it is on here. I think it's onion skin stained actually. Looks like that kind of color. I ripped it. I ripped it by accident. So I don't really know what I plan on doing with that. I could put this here. Is that there? No. And oh, here's the other one I was looking for. Here it is. There it is. I think that looks pretty cool. Right there. I would like to use, I have some kind of wax of some sort that's gold. And I also have, I should really dry brush some gold paint across because I did want to incorporate gold in here somewhere. And I have these little pearl things, the liquid pearls, or something of that nature. I forget what the name of it is, the one I have. I forget everything. I get on camera and I forget everything. I do. It's terrible. And that was a yucky cold coffee. I took it out. Here it is. Yeah, liquid, what is that? Liquid pearls, yeah. Liquid pearls, and the color is acid free, I don't know. Pearlescent paint. It doesn't say what color. Huh. It's more like a coppery color. Surprised I don't say the color on here. Probably did on the thing, like the container came in. Most likely. And of course I smushed it. Here's the other things I was talking about. Okay, maybe not. I just had them sitting here. Oh my, where'd it go? Oh. It's these. Right in my face. Metallic wax. Vintage gold and rose gold. So, I don't know. What do we use? What should we use, you think? Should we use the vintage gold or the rose gold? Let's see. Put regular gold. And we'll put this gold. I don't know where the pencil is, or the brush that I just had sitting here. It's gone. Gone again. I should have named my channel The Forgetful Journalist, or whatever. Forgetful lady. I don't know. Alright. I had a little white handled brush to use, and now, oh, here it is. It's not white handled, it's clear. And I used it with paint yesterday, like a dingling. I never cleaned it out. Well, I think we'll try using the rose gold. I can always fix it. So we'll go down here like so. much because I think this will smear. It'll not smear, it'll, because this is shiny, it'll come off. Let's see. Yeah, see how shiny it is? I don't know if I like that. I'll try it on here. A little bit. Alright, this does have a smell to it, which isn't too bad. But I love it. It's so pretty. I'll just put it around here a little bit. Maybe we could put it on the edge here, because I had to repaint this because I never painted the edges of the book cover. Here, we'll just put it on my finger. It feels weird. I don't know what the heck that is. I'm gonna have to, you know what, I'm not gonna do any more of that because I'm gonna have to file this down because it's got a little something there. Weird. Okay, so I don't know if you can see the actual glow here from the gold stuff. I don't think you can. The rose gold. Of course, try the light on it here. Shine the light. There you go. I really like that. So pretty. And forgive my stomach. Like, I don't know what's going on. Now here's something I'm gonna have to fix. Here you can see the pink here and all that. Well, this video's been very long, and I'm going to tell you right now, I do not like to edit. It's not like I don't, it's not that I don't like to edit, I don't know how to edit. So, this is going to be a longer video, like 43-minute video, maybe 45. But next time we'll work on filling the pages with pockets and such, and see what we can come up with in this lovely journal. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. And until then, I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Have a good Easter if I don't see you or talk to you. Have a good holiday, weekend, spring break, whatever you consider it to be. And we will talk again. Bye.